Hello everybody! Today we are going to prepare shrimp risotto. Very easy. Shrimps. Easy, tasty and healthy. So to prepare a nice and easy shrimp risotto we will need rice of a quality for risotto, for example carnaroli or, well, usually not basmati, it needs a little amid. Some vegetable soup, olive oil, persil, onion, garlic, and a little red pepper, and that's it. Before cutting, I put the water with the vegetable soup to prepare. Then we cut the onion and mix it up with one nail of garlic. We clean the shrimps and we don't throw the heads and the shell, let's say, but we put apart, okay? We put in a small pots because this will be an important part of the soup for risotto. And the head, I squeeze it into the pan because it's full of wonderful juice and we don't want to lose the juice. And the rest of the body into the pot. I go. Now we are ready to start with the hardware part. Okay, the vegetable soup is ready, and we prepare the booster, that is the skins and heads of the shrimps, with no water and no olive oil. So I put in a pot and start cooking, okay? They need to become a little like chips. You will see, it is going. Then I sliced the onion and the garlic, small pieces. I add olive oil, of course. And I turn it on also here. When the shrimps start to smell like a little like smoked, I add fresh water. Okay, it's going. Okay, now we have our onion that is start getting blonde, as we say in Italian, and the shrimp skins that are drying. Now it's time to add some cold water here. And some water to the onion also, a little. It doesn't need to fry, it needs to melt. I forgot my formal dress. Maybe the onion needs to go, I don't know, also 10 minutes, huh? Low flame, needs to melt. While under the shrimps, they need to boil. So until they boil, we keep the flame a little high. Okay. Here we are. Now we start technique. We add the rice. And we start turning it, okay? I hide the flame again. I let it dry a little. And I am ready with some wine. Because the rice needs to dry up a little, and then, okay, wine. Please note that now we have some shrimps too big, too scampi, you know, and the other shrimps cleaned. When you smell that the wine is evaporated, you start putting the vegetable soup and this one with the shrimps. It needs to go a while, this one, huh? Okay, this is our moment. We start with the vegetable. And it goes. It needs to dry and we pour. So, dry and we pour. The next one will be the one with the shrimps. If needed, we can filter it. I will try to keep the skins with a spoon and drop it. I hope I will succeed. If you are not confident, just filter it. Take this and filter. Maybe we can do. Yeah, let's do like that. Okay, it's the moment of the shrimp. Shrimp sauce. Okay. Okay, it is a little drained up and we add shrimp water, huh? Well, when you are a few minutes from finishing the cooking, let's say 5 minutes, also a little less, we add the shrimps, the persil just last minute, the peeled shrimps, so they will cook, but they don't need to cook, they don't need to cook too much. Okay, and here we go. And the whole shrimps. I guess we need some more soup. Okay. Here we're done. 30 seconds before it becomes newly thick, but when our rice is cooked, we serve in the dish. I put the mazzancolle, the scampi, as they were cooked, so I took them off and I add them here. I add persil, anzi no, I add salt, I always put it later, also because okay, I add persil, and here we are.